Hello, grant writers. I am not feeling good today, so I'm staying home sick. So I appreciate your staying on task during class today for whoever's substituting for me. All right, let's move on to quest number 6. The objective today is students will be able to revise and review intent letters by watching video and ensuring that intent letter answers the 3 key questions, so that each intent letter is a high quality piece of business communication that is ready to be sent to the organization. So apparently what we are doing with our cover letters is using them for what is commonly called letters of intent. They're like a pre-qualification for grant money. So we're going in the right direction. Let's focus then on making sure our letters of intent are excellent quality and ready to send to our organizations. So in the video that you'll be watching, just a short little 2 minutes, you'll hear this professional grant writer say that our letters of intent should focus on 3 main points or questions. What are you trying to achieve? What have you already done? And how will you solve the problem or create a program that will meet those needs? So this is what you'll do for Quest 6 today. Watch short video on how to write a letter for grant money. And then you'll move on to step 2. Revise your intent letter, again, formerly what we called the cover letter, to ensure that it adequately answers A, what you're trying to achieve, B, what you've already done, and C, how will you meet needs. Remember here in step C to emphasize the impact and results it will have on the VDP students and be as specific as you can. And then 3, I want you to review 3 peer intent letters. Of course, these will be found on Kazina, the Everyone page. You'll need to upload a copy of your intent letter, your revised intent letter, onto the Everyone page so that it will be available for 3 peer reviewers. And then so make sure when you review, you locate, evaluate, and comment on the ABC questions above. Only revise your letter as needed. So I'm not asking you to change the whole thing. Just be sure that it answers very clearly and specifically what you're trying to achieve, what you've already done, or what the VDP has already done, and how it meets the needs. You can choose the 3 peer intent letters that you review, whatever students you want. And you can use either voice or written comments. If you notice, however, though, that a particular student's intent letter has many reviewers, well, then choose a different peer to review. Move on and find a different peer that has less reviewers. So this means that I expect you to spend probably about the first half of the class, 30 minutes, revising your intent letter to meet the 3 questions, answering them clearly and specifically, and then uploading a copy of that document onto the Everyone page in Kazina, so that after about 30 minutes of class, there'll be a number of intent letters with your name in the title, please, so it's easy for your peer review to choose a student. And then the second 30 minutes of the class can be used to choose the 3 peers and review their intent letter, specifically reviewing it for making sure that it hits the ABC questions or standards that we're looking at here. So you are wondering how to defend a level 4 for this quest. Well, ensure that it meets all of the normal criteria for a level 4, but also include the names of the 3 peers that you reviewed. And it will probably be a good idea to choose 1 or 2 key pieces of feedback that you were able to offer 1 or more of the peers and summarize that for me. That should ensure that you have a level 4 for this quest. Okay, if you have questions, you can email me around class time today. I'll try to, if I'm awake, I'll try to answer any questions you might have on email. But otherwise, I think this should be fairly clear. And hopefully those letters will be excellent and ready to be sent to our organizations to see what kind of feedback we get from them. All right. Great job, grant writers. Have a good day.